The number thumper game seems trivial and even obvious initially when you take a look at it, because it is simply addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of single digit numbers. And you might say, but I can add to 9, I can subtract from 9, I can work with single digits. And yes, that's quite true. However, what this game also does is it makes you think strategically. It stimulates the brain, and you are competing against other people because this is a live game all the time. And you are competing against other people to get the highest possible score. But the strategy of the game comes in that you must try and find the number in the background from the digits on the screen. So currently, if you look at the fact that there's a 5, and we need to get 5 from the digits, we can get it from the 3 and the 8. Now you can either put a click above it or you can click below it, because 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So in this case, let's click there. Now we've got 5, and then you'll notice that suddenly I'm on the scoreboard. I've got 11 points because I had the 8 and the 3 that I worked with. Now I need to get 3, and you'll notice that some of the digits appear, and you can actually see at the bottom of the screen that there's a player called Annette that currently also plays. So you have to be fast, and that's the other big thing about this game, is you need to be very fast because you're looking at the digits and then suddenly they disappear and you can't use them anymore. Now we need to get 3, and there are no digits on the screen that we can use to get 3. So now another feature comes into play. You can click anywhere to put that 3 on the screen. However, putting that 3 on the screen will now require you to think ahead. So with time, you'll realize that certain digits are more difficult to form than others. So for instance, I'll put the 5 there and not next to the 8 because I can use the 5 and the 0 to get 5 or 0. 9, 8 and 7 will be digits that I normally will try and spare for a later time as well, but bearing in mind somebody else might actually take my digits and form their own numbers. So we have to be very careful how we play this game, and it really becomes quite an addictive exercise. Now this game is purely intended to stimulate mental arithmetic. That's all it is. It's single digits even, so you got to just think, add, subtract, multiply and divide. You can click above, below, on the left hand side or the right hand side of any 2 digits to form the number that is displayed in the background. And for instance, now there's a 1 and a 9, we need to get 8, so I can just click there and I've got 8. The addiction of this game is actually embedded in 2 things. Number 1, it is about trying to just get the numbers. There's just something natural about wanting to get easy numbers right. And second of all, it's about playing the scoreboard, trying to get to the top of the scoreboard. It's really that powerful. So what you can do is to also enroll for Tutor on Call. If you click on there, you'll see a little bit about how you can actually get onto the subscription service of Tutor on Call, and we're going to be looking at Tutor on Call, what it is, in a moment. But if you are a Tutor on Call subscriber, then if you get the top score on the scoreboard every week at 6 o'clock on a Sunday evening, whoever has got the highest score will win a 200 Rand prize. So let's go and take a look at what exactly Tutor on Call is. You can click there on the dashboard. It will then take you through to a screen on the Internet Learning website where you can then just go to the search for math content, and it will take you through to a screen where you can actually search for keywords, such as, for instance, let's just take exponents. And click for exponents, then you will get a whole list of matches to that keyword, and then you can just click on any of those. Let's say we go there. You click on that, and sometimes you'll have an MP4 video, sometimes you'll have a Flash video. If you do Flash on your phone, just remember to do it inside the Puffin browser, just so the Flash videos can play back. You just simply click on that, and you wait for the video to open, and then you'll actually have an explanation of mathematics.
Algebra is a very important part of mathematics, and the reason why it is so important is because of its ability to work with symbols rather than numbers.
And this video can be forwarded, rewind as many times as you need for it to be explained to you. That is the power of Tutor on Call. But even more than that, we also provide you with the opportunity to send us your own questions that we will put onto the database. We call it Backchat. It's based on WhatsApp, and you just simply send us the question, for instance, with a photograph, and we will then make a video memorandum for you. of your question. You can also ask us to assist you in getting the right videos for a specific topic. We call that a jump box. So you can also request that we provide you with jump boxes of the videos relevant to a specific topic from our database. So enroll today with Tutor on Call. It's much cheaper than going for extra classes, and then you actually have a tutor that will come to your home via the internet, on your phone, on your tablet, or on the computer, and the mathematics that you're battling with will be explained to you as many times as you need it.